Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a YouTube Shorts channel that will get you a ton of views. I'll also be teaching you where to get the clips that you can use for 100% free, how to put the channel together, and start making money. If that's something that you'd like to learn, then please stick around for the entire video because this one is for you. Welcome to Next Level Finance, the channel where we teach you how to make money online with your financial freedom as the ultimate goal. If this is something that you're interested in, then please go ahead and show us some love by hitting the like, share, subscribe, and notification bell below. So the strategy that I'll be showing you today is all about using these shorts videos to build your subscriber base and then create longer form videos to make money from your channel. The first place that you can go to source for videos that you can use for your shorts is Instagram Reels. So the great thing about IG Reels is that the videos are a maximum of 60 seconds long, which is the same as YouTube Shorts requirement. Another great video source is TikTok. There is a wealth of content that you can use from there. And the third, of course, is our favorite, YouTube. Since hacks have always done really well in terms of videos consumed by the audience, and there are so many categories that you can do, kitchen hacks, IKEA hacks, mom life hacks, etc., let's use hacks for our demo today. So on IG, I'm going to go ahead and search for hacks. And as you can see, there's this channel here called 5-Minute Life Hacks. That one looks very interesting. Now to see if it has content that I would want to include, I can head on over to Reels and select the theme. For example, we can try something that they have over here, like how to hide a gift. Right. Now let's find a few more similar ones on Instagram Reels, on TikTok, and on YouTube. And when we have about 60 seconds worth, then we can start downloading the videos. Now don't worry, I know you're concerned about copyright issues, but essentially, we're going to be searching for related videos from all three platforms and then compiling them and changing them up a little in order to make them our own, which is what will essentially make them fair use. For now, let me show you how you can download the videos you found on IG, TikTok, and YouTube without any watermarks so that they're usable for your shorts content. So for TikTok specifically, you can use this site called snappic.app, and again, just paste the TikTok video URL and you can automatically and very simply download it without the watermark. For Instagram, you'll want to visit this site called inflat.com. Click on the Tools tab, go to Downloader, and then click on Instagram. You should find this bar where you can simply paste the link to the IG Reels video that you want to use and download it straight away. For YouTube, I like using this website called savefrom.net. Again, you take the URL, paste it on the bar, and voila! You get to download it as a video file. Super simple. As soon as you have all of your videos ready on file, then you can head on over to Canva to put everything together. So on Canva, click on Mobile Video, and you'll see that it will take you to this blank screen with size 1080 by 1920. On here, you can drag and drop your video. Make sure you adjust it so that it fills the entire screen. And you can easily do that by dragging right over here. You'll also want to adjust the video volume, bringing it down to say about 10% so that you can do a voice-over narration or commentary without removing the actual sound from the video, but without it being too overpowering either. This is a way to make the sound of the video your own, changing it up so we don't get any copyright strikes from it, and it would also be great if you can add some supers or text overlays, which I will show you how to do in a second. I hope you're enjoying the content so far, and if you are, well, then what are you waiting for? Go ahead and give us a like, a share, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Okay, so now that you have your videos ready on Canva, the next thing that you can do would be to work on the script and voice over. You can use your actual voice and record through any of the built-in apps that most smartphones already come with. Or you can also opt to use a free text-to-speech or TTS app to do this. I personally like this free software called Balaboka. You can download it for free and it can read your scripts for you straight away. So you can choose male or female voice. You can adjust the reading speed, the volume, and even the pitch. It's pretty good for something you can get for free. So let me show you how that works really quickly. Okay, so here let's type in, you'll need a piece of plywood, a glue gun, and a fork. Now
You'll
press
need a piece
play
of plywood,
and
a glue gun and a fork.
there you go. Click on save and the file will automatically be downloaded on your computer. After that, all you would need to do would be to combine the voice recording with the video, and you can continue to do that on Canva. So here you'll want to click on Upload Media, select the voice recording that you just downloaded, and then drag it to the part of the video where you want it to go, just like this. Once that's done, you can start adding supers to each hack or each step depending on what your video is about. And to do this properly, you'll need to split the videos first. So as you can see here, you'll want to put your cursor on the part between the two separate clips, and then right-click on that, and then simply click on Split. When you see two separate screens, you can go ahead and add the text overlay by clicking on Text, and then clicking on Add a Heading over here. And then you can edit the text, change the font to whatever you like, and type in whatever you need to put in. For example, you can type in, you'll need plywood, glue gun, and a fork. See how that looks? It's really simple, and you'll need to repeat the process until you complete the video. Doing it this way will substantially change the videos that you put together so that you can own it, you can use it, and monetize it without any issues on copyright. To play it extra safe, I recommend that you also add your video sources in the description box or comment section of your video, and you can simply do this by citing all of the URLs, and also you can add your email address just in case anyone wants to contact you directly about any of the videos that you used. So this way they can reach you directly instead of coursing it through YouTube, and this should save you from any possible trouble or issues regarding copyright in the future. Once your video is ready and edited, click on the download button, which you'll find on the upper right-hand corner of Canva over here. And just don't forget to download the file as an MP4 video. In order to start building a channel of followers and earning over 4,000 hours of watch time, which is what you'll need to be monetized, I suggest that you combine both YouTube Shorts and longer format ones to increase your watch hours. You can basically use the shorts as a hook, and once you're able to engage an audience, they will want more and they will check out the rest of the videos on your channel. This should help you accumulate 4,000 watch hours and allow you to earn money from YouTube Shorts. Also, while waiting for monetization as a YouTube partner, you can already start making money by promoting affiliate products related to your content. We show you how to do that in further detail in another video, and I'll leave a link of that in the description box below. Do let us know what other kinds of videos you want to see next, and we'll make sure to include that in our lineup. If you got any value from today's content, then please make sure that you like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell below because it really supports our channel. As always, let me leave you with a reminder that if you want to move towards financial freedom, you do have to put in the work and do it today, because tomorrow you will only wish that you had started sooner. Alright guys, take care, and I'll see you again on the next one.